Okay then, so I had me some ham and eggs and cheese and toast and jam and coffee. And rested up for a minute or two. And now it's time for me and Mr. Shovel to uncover Mr. Bulkhead in order to unplug Mr. Wire that runs underneath the snow over to Mr. Camper. So, I think I left the, I think I had my camera stand over here as last I knew of. We'll take a look and see if it is. If it is, I'll set y'all on the camera stand and set you over in the snow. Mr. Chain is still in the Jeep. Oh, the door. Somebody I know from down in South Carolina was moaning and groaning about the weather down there. I sent her an hourly report of our weather for today. It started out this morning, it was 16. Now it's down to 12. According to the hourly report, it's going to continue to drop all day long until it gets down to negative numbers by sometime late tonight or early in the morning. So I took a photo shot of that. I sent it to that friend and I said, stop whining. Hope they can take a joke. Actually, I could just throw this out here because I'm going to be pulling this out. Jeep. Anyway. Yeah. Push it down the driveway. What? Man, it's cold and the wind is just ridiculously brutal. Oh, I'm talking about make your face burn brutal. So I'm gonna take the Jeep and try to see what I can pull back out of here. I don't want to plow up the bulkhead. So I stuck that shovel there with the idea that, you know, I can go past it as long as I don't pull the doors off with it. We'll try that. Lord have mercy. Talk about cold. I guess I could just sit y'all right where you were over here. But you watch. Keep your mittens on, it's chilly. I'm just saying. Sure enough.